Clean cut, maximum yield today.
Timing is everything in harvesting.
Another good harvest.
Another harvest, another journey. Here, in this golden expanse, begins a journey of transformation. Each wheat grain carries a story of
checking today's shipment sequence for us.
logistics looking smooth today. Proceed to checkpoint.
From wheat to bowl person, our entire journey captured in one moment. Every step carefully engineered.
Shipment manifest looks correct.
Let's verify temperature and seal integrity.
Batch 7392, verification in progress.
Utilizing precision machinery, the system employs air bursts and magnetic separators to extract impurities with remarkable efficiency.
Perfect separation. Quality standards met. Levels are stable. Moisture levels are precisely within acceptable range.
Green zones confirm optimal storage conditions.
All systems functioning at maximum efficiency.
Initializing moisture content analysis.
Amber show. 12.4% protein to race service, perfect noodle wheat parameters.
Yeah. Hardness level consistent, medium range acceptable.
Perfect filtration cycle. Zero contamination guaranteed.
Transformation begins in the heart of the mill. Each kernel undergoes careful separation and grinding.
Processing parameters are optimal.
Each pass refines the flour's texture and preserves nutritional integrity.
Watch how perfectly the grain transforms. Pure poetry in motion.
Perfect grade for premium noodles.
%11 protein calorie. Perfect noodle consistency today. Production parameters, optimal. Perfect hydration creates optimal gluten development.
ratio. Batch parameters validated.
Watch the transformation closely. Gluten networks developing. Perfect consistency achieved.
Watch how moisture transforms these protein structures. Each model determines noodle perfection. Elasticity
Perfect compression, maintaining ideal thickness. Line 1 confirmation. 70 grams specification verified.
Every second counts in consistent preparation.
Steaming process stabilizes the noodle structure, locking in its form for further processing.
Precision engineering transforms raw ingredients, each molecule of water strategically removed. Advanced thermal engineering creates optimal preservation conditions.
Batch 4580 parameters are now optimized.
Yeah.
So
Temperature range locked at 150 to 160 degrees Celsius.
Airflow consistent at 68 degrees.
Batch 4023-B is now shelf-stable handler.
Moisture levels perfect. Quality check passed.
Perfect consistency. Ready for distribution. Tolerance levels are perfect.
Perfect lamination. Uniform moisture distribution.
Crispness, color, weight, every metric is recorded.
Production line synchronized. Efficiency at 99.7%.
$120 packs per minute SLIA. We're exceeding targets.
Market demand met. Systems operating at peak efficiency. Arsenals. Every surface, every process is meticulously controlled. Precision engineering meets uncompromising hygiene standards.
Clean batch, ready for distribution.
Perfect packaging. Ready for shipment. Quality control is our priority.
Perfect traceability. Ready for shipment. Load secured. Ready for transport.
Aligning next shipment.
Everything checked and ready for dispatch.
Last pallet going in sequence.
Another shipment right on schedule. Job done. Another shipment ready to roll.
Route tracking in real time. Logistics optimization at 98% efficiency. When the world needs it delivered, Global Logistics Solutions gets it there on time, every time.